Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA.
This is how to transfer money from PayPal to Capitec Bank. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, it is important to know that in South Africa, PayPal withdrawals can only be processed through FNB PayPal services. Even if you bank with Capitec, the transfer must go through FNB first. You do not need to have an FNB bank account to use this service. Let's start with the computer method. Open your browser and go to the official FNB website. Before logging in, you must register for online banking. If you are not an FNB customer, select the option to register for PayPal for non-FNB customers. On the next screen, choose the option that says, I do not bank with FNB, and then follow the prompts to create your profile. If you are an FNB customer, you can register a normal FNB online banking profile instead. Once your profile is created, log into FNB online. After logging in, select Forex. From there, choose PayPal services. Next, select PayPal withdrawal. If your PayPal account is not yet linked, follow the prompts to sign into PayPal and authorize the connection. Once linked, select withdraw from PayPal. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Choose your Capitec Bank account as the payout account. Review the exchange rate and fees shown, and then confirm the withdrawal. Now let's look at the mobile app method. Open the FNB app and log in. From the home screen, scroll until you see Forex and tap on it. Then select PayPal. Choose PayPal Withdraw. Enter the amount, select your Capitec account, review the details, and confirm the transaction. After confirmation, the funds will be processed and paid into your Capitec account within the standard processing time. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to Capitec Bank. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.